Do you want to rename apps and change their icons on your iPhone? You can do it using the Shortcuts app, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Shortcuts app. It should already be installed on your device, but if not, you can download it from the App Store. Once you're inside, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on Search Actions, then type Open App, and add that action. Now tap on the word app next to open and choose the app you want to rename. This works for both built-in and third-party apps. Next, tap the small arrow next to open app, then select rename. Type in your new app name and tap done on your keyboard. Now your shortcut is ready. Click the small arrow once again, then tap add to home screen. Here you can customize the icon. Tap the icon preview, then choose a color or tap image, then choose photo to select a custom image from your gallery. Pick your image, tap choose, then hit add in the top corner to place it on your home screen. You'll now see your newly renamed app with a custom icon. Tap it and it will open just like the original app. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your app and changed its icon on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.